You're right. May 2nd, 35 pitches. The next day, 10-pitch save against the Yankees. So, Jose, Leland was joking that you were taking a nap in the clubhouse before the game. True or false?
That's what he said. Maybe he see me sleeping over there. And man, the only time you have to do is something. Something's working, you have to do it. You know what I mean? And I do it a little bit.
You were joking yesterday about the series being over and all of that. How badly do you want to get it done right here in Detroit?
You know, I think everybody wants to do it. This is over already. Except for New York. New York really want to win. But I want to do it the most you can. Not only me, so all my guys have had it in New York. They play these two games, and that's it. That's what you know what I mean. That's what I said. That's what I want to. You know what I mean? This guy had a good team, good pitchers. I think all the hitters, you know what I mean? Like Alice, Jeter, this guy. He's the best player I've seen in my life.
So your arm is ready.
Oh
Ready
yeah.
to go.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Jose, thank you very much.
Yeah, I think.